Okay, so today I'm going to do a little video on clouded headlights. So this headlight's not exactly great. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not as clear as it could be, like that one. So there's a lot of videos about restoring headlights, and they're usually quite involving sanding and spraying with clear coat and all that sort of stuff. We're just going to be using some Mother's aluminium polish and see how we go. So this is what we're using. There's no sponsorship at all from Mother's. I'm just using a standard polishing cloth. Probably should have taped off to not get the polish on the paint, but they're being lazy, as you probably guess from the fact that I'm doing a video about restoring headlights with minimum effort. So I have not touched this headlight at all. This is the first go at it. I'm running out a little bit more polish, I think. It's getting a bit. Like, I'm only using a tiny amount of this polish. I think it cost me, I bought it on Amazon, I think. I actually no, maybe I actually bought it from a shop. I can't remember, but I don't think it was more than like $15 or something for this little tub. And the amount that I've used is like a fraction. You could do hundreds of headlights. Now I probably could stop now. I don't think I need to do as much as what I've already done actually, but we'll see. You could take the headlight out if you wanted to. Oh, my phone's ringing. No, I'm not going to answer that because I'm in the middle of making this little video. I'll get that later. So we'll just use our microfiber cloth and whoever it is persistent. A few marks here that I haven't got off, but I think you'll be able to see that that has changed rather a lot just for a very quick. Like, I can probably do a second pass on this, but let me just bring up the. So that's now significantly clearer than what it was for very little effort. Alright, well, I hope that this is helpful. I found about this just by searching on restoring headlights, and someone said this was the easiest way to do it. And yeah, I don't know how long it lasts for, but as you can see, that looks a lot better than it did. Thanks for watching.